Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super relevant in our digital age. How to view your screen time on your iPhone in 2025. With features evolving every year, Apple's Screen Time tool helps you track and manage your device usage, promoting a healthier balance between screen time and real life. Whether you're a parent monitoring kids or just curious about your own habits, this is a must-know feature. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. It ensures all the newest tools are available. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Screen Time. Tap on it, and if it's your first time, you might need to enter your device passcode or Face ID to proceed. Now, inside the Screen Time menu, you'll see a dashboard that gives you an overview of your daily or weekly usage. At the top, you'll find a summary of your average screen time, broken down by categories like social media, entertainment, or productivity apps. Scroll a bit further, and you can tap on See All Activity for a detailed breakdown. This shows exactly which apps are hogging your time, how many notifications you're getting, and even pickups. That's how often you unlock your phone. One cool feature in 2025 is the Enhanced Insights section, where you can view trends over time and get personalized suggestions, like setting limits for specific apps. If you want to take action, go to App Limits to set daily caps or enable downtime to block apps during certain hours, like bedtime. It's all about regaining control. Wrapping this up, viewing your screen time is quick and eye-opening. It only takes a minute, but it can lead to big changes in your daily routine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below on how you're managing your screen time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.